Happy Friday, class. I can't believe that we are wrapping up our final unit together today, and I can't believe how quickly the 8 weeks have passed. I just wanted to share some final thoughts with you and a little final reflection as you move into new classes next term. First of all, I wanted to thank you for your hard work and participation each week on the discussion board. Not every term do I have such fantastic discussion among students, and I've really appreciated all that you've added. I think Brittany D from our class put it best when she wrote in her reflection that it really has felt like you're sitting beside each other, working as classmates and peers this term, and I want to thank you for that. I know that as we move on, that new beginnings of a new term can be a little bit bittersweet, and I want you to know how much I'm going to miss each of you. Please feel free to keep in contact with me. I really do enjoy hearing what my former students are up to and all the great things that you're doing. As you wrap up this week, please remember to complete all assignments. Our discussion board posts are due by Friday night at midnight, and your peer responses, your journal, your final exam, and the interactive exercises are due by Saturday at midnight. Sunday, I will begin working on final grading, and grades will be submitted on Sunday evening by midnight. And then you should be able to log in Monday morning and see your final grade for the course. If you have any questions throughout this process or questions about your final grade or even making up any previous assignments, you are allowed to do that. We are so close to the finish line. I know that each of you is working hard, and if you have any questions, please reach out to me. Have a great week.